Here, we have a sentence without comparison. The truck moved slowly. So this is the adverb moved. Moved is the adverb, the verb that the adverb describes. Here, the truck moved more slowly. So here I want to compare between two things. Here then, two things. I want to compare the way that the truck moved and the way that the car moved with the word slowly, with the adverb slowly. So here, the adverb slowly, is long or short? How many syllables do we have? Yes, exactly, we have 2 syllables. So here I use what? More. More. So I don't say slowlier. No, this is not correct. Slowlier is not correct. So we use more slowly. Is it clear? I hope so. Here, let's see some examples to make it like more clearly. Here, we ran more rapidly than my dad. So here, I described the way that we ran and the way my dad ran with the word rapidly. So I want to compare between the way that we ran and the way that my dad ran. Yes, we say more rapidly. More what? More rapidly. Because rapidly here ends with ly. Do you remember? If an adverb ends with ly, most of times we use more. The word more help us to compare. Here, the second one. She's getting up. So the verb is getting up, right? More cheerfully than yesterday. Today than yesterday. So yesterday also, she got up, right? And today she get up. Yes. How she get up yesterday? How she got up yesterday and today? Cheerfully, right? But which one is more cheerfully? More again. We have more cheerfully because the adverb ends with ly. Cheerfully. Cheerfully. It has more than one syllable. And we don't forget the word than. Than. She waited more patiently than I could have. So I describe the way she waited and the way I can wait, sorry. So here, how can she waited? Patiently. And also I can wait patiently, but I want to compare. Yes, more patiently. She waited more patiently than I could have. Okay? So here the adverb is patiently. It ends with ly. So also I add the word more. Here we have the truck moved the most slowly of all. So here I want to compare more than two. So here and here I have slowly. It's a long adverb, right? It has more than one syllable. It has 2 syllables. Slowly. Yes, excellent. So I use the word most. And here sometimes you can see the word the article that. It helps us that it tells us that this is superlative, not comparative. If it's comparative, you will see the word than. Here, let's see some examples. The sweet rolls disappear most quickly of all. So here, quickly, most quickly, because quickly ends with ly. Jane speaks. Here, let's just like round the verb. Disappear, speaks, use. So here are the adverbs that we want to compare the way that this is done. Yes, the most quietly of all friends. So Jane speaks. How she speaks? Quietly. But I want to compare it with her friends, with the way that her friends speak. So we say the most quietly. They use the knife the most carefully. How do you use the knife? Carefully, right? So compare it with, for example, your using of the spoon, of the fork. Which one do you use carefully or more carefully? Or the most carefully? Yes, we use the knife the most